everyone. So back in the fall this year, we did not do our book reveal, and that's because we just finished ordering a couple of the books that the kids needed for this school year to finish out this year. They'll finish through the summer, and then we also ordered their new curriculum to start in August, September-ish. Today we're going to do Rebekah's video though, and there's one book that's from the new Abeka second grade curriculum, but we went ahead and ordered the new books for the old curriculum where they had letters and sounds and language, because I already had the teacher keys and she had already done letters and sounds through first grade. So you're gonna see the older one. They do have a newer one, but this is what we chose was best for our family for this year. But who's excited to talk about the new school books? You ready? Hold your first book up and tell me what that one's called.
Letters and sounds, too.
What do you like about this book?
It has all of the fun stuff that I had in first grade.
Yep. It has special sounds and blends and coloring pages.
I always loved the coloring pages.
Cool.
Ooh, that was fun.
So you have your test book to go with it. Do you like tests? I don't think anybody liked tests. It's okay. Did you already do a couple of tests in there?
Yeah.
All right, you want to hold your language book up? Do you like Mr. Floppy Fish? What's your favorite thing about language 2? The stories in the back, where you get to write your own stories in the back?
Oh, I do?
Yeah, you haven't got there yet. But yeah, look, you get to write your own stories in the back. Is that cool?
Yeah. Stories.
Speaking of stories, do you want to show them your elephant notebook? Your journal? So Rebekah wanted a place to write all of her stories this year, and her sisters needed journal notebooks. So we found her a really cool elephant journal, right?
It has rainbows and it makes reflections.
Yep. Can I see it? And then what else do you have for language?
My folder.
A floppy folder to write stuff down and practice writing your special sounds.
Yeah.
We forgot a book because you were working on it. What were you working on?
Spelling.
Do you like spelling?
Yeah.
Are you really good at spelling? How about your next book? You don't like that one at all, right?
I love it. It's so big and it's I love everything about math.
Start in the back. See the stuff that you're going to get to eventually, whenever we finish the year?
Let's check. Oh, and
Yeah, I went ahead and had you go to the back because it already has all the review of stuff that you've already learned so far, and then stuff that we're going to start working on. See, like we haven't done these pages yet, right?
right.
Look at this. We need to finish filling that in too. You like your math book though? All right, now can you hold your test book up?
I actually like speed drills. The tests are easier.
Yeah, that one's different because we actually got a different test book than we got the math book. I don't know how we did that, but I'll take it. I got it. Thank you though. All right, now, and you've got a what? A floppy folder for writing your addition and subtraction families. Do you like writing your families? Yep. Cool. Can I see it? What's your next class that you do?
Health.
You like health?
Kinda.
You like the safety and manners, but you don't like learning about the gross stuff.
Yeah. So floppy.
That is so floppy. Can I see it? What's your next class? I'm gonna have to move these. They're getting taller than you are. Science! Do you like science?
There's all those experiments.
Yep, like the flower one we did the other day.
And watching.
Or last week.
I'm watching a plant die.
Watching a plant die.
That's my experiment. Somewhere.
We'll work on that one another day, okay?
Okay.
And what special floppy folder did you pick for science? Because you love science so much. You picked the frozen one. Show the back of it. That's funny. All right, can I have it? Thank you. All right, let's move on to history. What's your favorite thing about history?
All the historic things.
Yep, that one looks a little rough, but your sisters had it too.
Yeah.
But what did you have that was all yours this year? Your green floppy folder to write all your questions in. And then what did we just get in the mail new to finish off this year? So we got the History, Science, and Health 2 workbook that's supposed to coincide with History, Science, and Health books that she has. And we just got this in the mail for her. And so she's going to do one, she can do up to 3 pages a day, one for health, one for science, one for history, and open it up. Let's see what's inside.
Ooh, that looks fun.
Ooh, a cut and paste.
Cut and paste?
You cut it out and then you paste it onto there.
Ooh.
That's how you do it. That's how you cut and paste manually, as in not with the computer.
One at a time?
Yep, one at a time. What else is there? Turn a page. Ooh, word scrambles.
Ooh.
And flags. Keep turning. Let's turn like back here. Ooh, what's that?
A map.
Yep,
I
2
think
maps.
I used to color it.
There's actually 2 maps. What's the other one look like?
A neighborhood map.
A neighborhood. Teaches us how to use a neighborhood map.
I can find all the things.
Mm-hmm. Keep turning.
There.
What else can we find? Science. Yep. You can match fresh water to salt water. Keep turning. There's health in there somewhere. I may have skipped health on accident. Nope, there's some health. Washing hands. And about your body.
No, 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 no.
Well, you get to match these, I think, to those. Will that be fun?
Yeah, no,
All right, can I have the book?
no.
You can have it back in just a minute when you start school for the day. Are you excited?
I can't wait for school.
I am so excited you like school. What do you tell everybody for watching?
Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the